Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear learners. Welcome to the online class arranged by the authority of Dr. Khastagir Government Girls High School, Chattogram. Once again, here is my introduction for you. It's me, Shahnaz Akhtar, Senior Teacher, Dr. Khastagir Government Girls High School, Chattogram. My dear students of class 5, hope all of you are fine, hale and hearty, along with your family members, by the grace of Almighty Allah. Okay, girls, now get ready to attend today's class. Today, I am going to discuss a lesson from your English for Today book. So, take your book and other necessary things with you. Okay, girls, now look at these two pictures. In first picture, you can see some girls working with white stick. Perhaps they are in a procession. Seeing white stick, we can guess that probably they are blind. And in second picture, we see some blind girls are reading by touching a special script. This is called Braille. It is a kind of script that uses raised dots, and here each letter is made from dots. Dear learners, from these two pictures, I think you have understood by this time which topic we are going to discuss today. Yes, today we are going to discuss Life is Beautiful. It's in Unit 20, Lesson 1 to 8, and page number is 78 to 81. First of all, at the beginning of the lesson, we will discuss some words and their meanings. These are our today's word. Spring, meaning season between winter and summer. Neighborhood means community. Visually means relates to sight. Impaired, meaning damaged. Information means findings, or you can also say news. And finally, script means handwriting. Now, I will read out the text. You all listen to me carefully. It's a beautiful spring day. Maria gets up early. She feels happy. She knows that it's a nice day because she puts her hand on the glass of the window. It is very warm. She opens the window and the singing of the birds fills the room. She can smell the flowers outside her home. They smell sweet and fresh. After Maria gets dressed and has her breakfast, she puts her books in her bag. She is ready for school. Maria is a lot like any other students in her neighborhood. She goes to school and likes to be with her friends. But Maria cannot see the beautiful spring day. She cannot see the flowers, the blue sky, or the singing birds. She cannot see the new green leaves on the trees. She cannot see these because she is visually impaired. She has been unable to see since she was born. But Maria is happy. She goes to school every day. She can learn the information because she reads Braille. Braille is a script that uses raised dots. Each letter is made from dots. People move their fingers across the raised dots to read. Maria learned to read Braille as a young child. Her books at school are in Braille. She enjoys reading poems and history. Maria's teacher says that she is a good learner. Now, here is an activity for you. Let's do it. The activity is read the story again and choose the best answer. First question. Maria cannot see because it is dark. Number B, she is visually impaired. And finally, number C, she doesn't feel well. Why does Maria cannot see? Because answer is she is visually impaired. Question 2. Maria knows it is a warm day because the birds are singing. Her friends tell her. She feels the glass of the window. Girls, what is the answer? Yes, the answer is she feels the glass of the window. Number 3. At school, Maria learns a lot of information by A. Reading books in Braille script. Option B. Having her friends read to her. Option C. Listening to the teacher read. And what is the answer? The answer is reading books in Braille script. Question 4. If she goes to university, Maria will probably study what? History, maths, or science? Answer is history. Now, here is an now I will read another text. You again listen to me attentively. Maria hopes to go to university one day. Her teachers think that she can. Maria wants to set up a school of her own so that she can teach visually impaired children. Before this, Maria wants to be a writer. She wants to write a book about her feelings and experiences. She wants to show other impaired people that they can do amazing things in their lives. Based on this text, now we have to answer some questions. First question is, why does Maria want to set up a school? And the answer is, Maria wants to set up a school to teach visually impaired children. Number 2, what kind of book does Maria want to write? Answer, Maria wants to write a book about her feelings and experiences. Number 3, why does she want to write this book? And the answer is, Maria wants to write this book to show other impaired people that they can do amazing things in their lives. There is another activity. It's read the job descriptions and complete the sentences with a word from the box. Number 1, A dash works in a school. Children learn how to read and write from this person. Okay, girls, can you guess what job is it? Yes, a teacher works in a school. Children learn how to read and write from this person. In this way, number 2, A, computer engineer studies computer science and can fix computers. Number 3, A, doctor looks after ill people and helps them to become healthy. Number 4, A, pilot. A pilot flies planes. He or she travels around the world. Number 5, a farmer grows crops such as rice. We get our food from this person. Number 6, a business person buys and sells things in Bangladesh or in other countries. Now today there is a homework for you. It is write 3 sentences about what you would like to do in the future. Use the information from activity F, that is from the job description. That is, you have to write about your aim in life. That is, what do you want to be in your future life? Why do you want to be so? And how your aim will help the people of your society or country. Okay, girls, I'm finishing my today's class here. You will stay safe and go on with your studies. Best wishes for all of you. Thank you all for attending the class and goodbye.